Meaning of elite.
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 Elite. Elite refers to a group of people who are considered to be superior or the best in a particular field or society. This group is usually characterized by their high levels of education, wealth, social status, or power. They are often seen as the top achievers in their chosen profession or industry, and are privileged with access to exclusive opportunities and resources. The elite can also be used to describe the more prestigious or exclusive elements of a group or organization. Overall, elite refers to a select group of individuals who are recognized for their exceptional abilities, accomplishments, or qualities.